In the last video, I was talking about making an animation with this chicken, and the animation is basically an image imported from my library, and then the only thing that I draw every time was each leg. But I'm gonna go to another project, and here I have a copy without any other frames. The problem in the last animation was that I didn't make the chicken bounce. We're supposed to have the whole body of the chicken is supposed to move, but I didn't reflect that. So here we have two frames, for example. So I'm gonna create this frame. Let's see, okay. Gonna use the lasso select here, move the left leg, chicken leg, forward, and the right one backwards. And I'm gonna turn on the grid, and now you have this. But let me create another layer, move it, put it on top. This will be notes, whatever. This layer is going to be for my annotations. And let me turn on onion layers. So the chicken is supposed to go down a little bit. So I will select the image and move it down like this. So now you can see the difference. So let's create a node. Let's duplicate the first layer and paste it forward. I need to add more frames, but this time it's going to be the second one. I'm gonna paste it, and now I'm gonna move the, oh no, hold on, let me hit back and select the right layer, which is the one at the bottom. Lasso select the leg and move it backwards, and lasso select the right leg and move it forward. So now let's see what we got here. Now it will look a little bit more closer to what it's supposed to look. Even though we only got 2 frames, it's not photorealistic, obviously, but it makes more sense, even though I think I should move the chicken a little bit upwards. I could even rotate it a little bit forward, and then the other one I'm gonna move it also a little bit in the upper direction, and let's turn off grid, onion, layers, and let's see how it looks. Now it looks a little bit better, but it still is only 4 frames looping back and forward. But now it looks better than at least than the previous animation that I made about it. So for the next video, what I'm going to do is I'm gonna make like a short animation for the pets contest or something like that. It's a video I saw about it. So anyway, thanks for watching, and I hope I can make the other video as soon as possible.